The Vector Revolution 180. The Vector Revolution 180 represents the first significant development of machinery in the composite board industry since the development of CNC machining centers some 20 years ago, broadening the scope for those products beyond square-edged rectangular panels. The Vector Revolution 180 is a new concept in both its manner of operation using the patented vector principle and the fact it is only responsible for edge banding the panel, not for cutting out the shape. The Vector Revolution 180 is a dedicated edge bander in the same way that conventional through-feed edge banders operate, which allows the separate CNC machining center and the Vector Revolution 180 to operate at peak efficiency. The Vector Revolution 180 also seamlessly integrates with nested-based manufacturing. The unique combination of the patented vector operating system, flatbed and pendulum loading capability means that short runs and changing product shapes and sizes are simple and quick. The Vector Revolution 180 utilizes the principle of simultaneous processing and incorporates some unique features which further enhance the performance of the machine. These include the sidewinder trimmer unit, which is mounted on the working head, allowing the gluing, edging, trimming and glue joint scraping all to be finished processed in one pass around the panel. The clever suspension of this unit enables it to follow complex shapes, including keyboard cutouts, with ease. Top and bottom tracer shoes and a horizontal shoe control the radius cutter heads as they travel around the panel in the same pass as the edge application cycle. This dramatically reduces processing times. The join sensor arm accurately measures the banding start point, achieving highest quality butt joints. The patented vector principle means no programming is required. This system has the advantage also of allowing the highest edge pressure of any contour edge bander. When combined with the glue nozzle, which is mounted very close to the pressure rollers, an optimal glue bond is achieved. The glue is extruded in lines, with the overhanging band glue-free, enhancing trimming performance. These features are your friend when banding difficult materials and complex shapes. The large work surface of the Vector Revolution 180 means that pendulum processing of panels up to 1220 by 1830 millimeters is possible. Cycle times for the Vector Revolution 180 are quick due to the simultaneous processing of the panels, with banding, trimming and surface scraping all performed in one pass. Where square-cornered panels are to be processed, the Vector Revolution 180 uses special end pods. These pods incorporate starting and finishing plates, which simulate an extension of the workpiece. These pods overcome problems faced by conventional methods when synchronizing the glue, banding and pressure exactly on the free corner of a panel. The banding length is automatically detected via a trigger on the finish pod, meaning no programming is required for different sizes and shapes of panels. Optional auto trim end pods are available, which automatically flush trim the square corner on completion of the edge, while the head is traversing to its next position, thus maintaining the Vector Revolution 180 philosophy of simultaneous processing. The start and finish plates create a seamless transition of band, glue and pressure onto the corner, giving the highest quality result. Visit vectorsystems.co.nz. The Vector Revolution 180. It just makes sense. An optional projection system is now available, which can also be retrofitted to existing machines. It uses a media projector to beam the panel shape onto the machine work surface. The simple projection file is transferred to the dedicated projection PC and can be called up by keypad or barcode. This facilitates the positioning of the vacuum pods prior to placing the panel on the surface and significantly enhances productivity, especially with small batch sizes. With the introduction of the Vector Revolution 120, there is now an affordable solution which meets the exacting quality standards required to band contours that can be attained by even small to medium manufacturers. It's now possible to handle complex shapes and varied banding materials while maintaining the industry-leading edge bond and single-pass processing previously found only in the larger Vector Revolution 180. The Vector Revolution 120 neatly packages the features of the larger Vector Revolution 180 into a compact body. The Vector Revolution 120 uses a new two-roller pressure system, which enables pressure reduction on thinner sensitive materials, where telegraphing of the substrate can be an issue. The Vector Revolution 120 uses a cartridge and nozzle glue extrusion system, applying the glue to the band in close proximity to the first pressure roller, thus ensuring optimal bond quality. The Vector Revolution 120 also features the new Superfly trim unit. This feature means the banding head continues moving during the end trim cycle, thus eliminating the heat stretch, which can occur on heat-sensitive materials. With these two features, the Vector Revolution 120 is able to perform highest quality butt joins on band materials of 1 mm or less. The Vector Revolution 120 utilizes end pods for starting and finishing the band on square-cornered panels. These end pods incorporate adjustable thickness starting and finishing plates, which simulate an extension of the workpiece. The advantage of this system is that it provides a straight edge to lay down the banding. This overcomes the problems associated with synchronizing the glue, banding and pressure exactly on the free corners of the panel. With the optimal banding pressure of the Vector Revolution 120, a perfect corner can be achieved every time with ease. Optional auto trim end pods are available, which automatically flush trim the square corner on completion of the panel.